Hey guys, it's me Kailash and I'm finally back on my channel. I'm sorry for being away for so long. The last video I uploaded was literally 6 months back. Anyways, I basically had a bunch of stuff to do at school, which is mainly what kept me away from coming to YouTube. I just didn't have enough time to do YouTube. Added to that was my laptop, which was very sucky, like it was horrible. So I really wasn't able to edit videos quickly at all. If I had to upload a 10 minutes video, which is in like normal FHD, like 1080p 30 FPS, then I'll have to finish editing the previous day, start exporting before I sleep, and it'll export through the night, and then the next day morning it'll optimistically be done. But sometimes I'll have to cancel the export, simplify the edit, and start over all over again. However, now with my term on boards over and now that I got a new laptop, I think I should be able to post more content regularly from now on. I don't promise immediate content yet, but I'm still working on some videos. But if you feel that I should post some kind of video, please let me know. And what you see in the background is a low 11 average on my bone dry GAN XS, which I was too lazy to set up. I should probably maintain my cubes better from now on. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say, and I'm sorry for not uploading for so long. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.